Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Project for tonight is a ring for my fiance. And I'm going to be making it out of this piece of 6Al4V titanium. Yeah, this is going to be ring number 2. Ring number 1 turned out very well, but it was too big. I measured her ring with a finger end tip. For anyone who's looking to get engaged, do not use a piece of string while your fiance is doing work on the couch to measure her finger size. It stretches a tiny bit, and trust me, it's going to end up too big. Anyway, I am excited because I enjoyed making it, and this one's going to be a little bit different than the one previous. So, ring number 2, and yeah, let's get into it. So one problem I'm having here is I don't have a compound on my lathe. It's an old turret style lathe and got the X and Z wheel, and that's it. So I gotta turn the whole head. But I want to make a pretty nice 45-degree chamfer here on the inside. It's gotta go in, what's my drawing say? 93 thou, so yeah, decent sized chamfer. Thought of like a, I don't know, this should work. Sorry, Gosha. But, all I'm doing here, taking the old construction triangle, ride it flat against the piece there, and I'm just turning my headstock until the blade roughly lines up. Yeah, it seems to be working pretty well. So let's give it a shot. Something I'm learning more and more with titanium is it is a very picky material. What's happening is my little high-speed steel parting tool is just a little dull on the end. So it doesn't want to dig in. But flip it around. Hopefully this will give me what I want. Alright, well I'm quite happy with this. For a ring blank, this will work for me just fine. Yeah, my boring bar had a lot of chatter, but didn't show up on the part at all. I doubt you can see that through there. I'll try to throw a picture in here, but looks quite nice. So yeah, now I need to make a mandrel for this to hold it in the mill, and then we can hog away the rest of the material until we find a ring somewhere inside there. Alright, let's do it. So on second thought, I'm going to save myself some time. This is the mandrel that I used for ring number 1. Now, since it was too big, I got to turn this down a bit still, but yeah, this is going to save me a bit of time on the ring. Not a shortcut, it's just being smart about choices. She's going to see this later. I think that's the ticket there. I want it to be nice and tight when I'm hogging away on the mill. Alright, well that's all the work for tonight. Got the mandrel made up, pushed the ring on there. Fits super snug. I'm gonna have a bit of trouble flipping this guy around, but that's alright, that's not tonight's problem. This was tonight's goal, and we're good, so hopefully, well, we'll see, maybe tomorrow night I'll throw this thing on the mill and we'll mill it up. Alright, see you guys soon.